this upcoming week, as far as data, we don't really have anything too strong pre-market this upcoming week. Wednesday, we have FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. Thursday, we have at 8:30 a.m. Philly Fed Manufacturing Index and unemployment claims. And Friday, we have Flash Services PMI. As far as earnings, we don't really have nothing as far as earnings this upcoming week. My watch list is pretty short for the week. I'm basing this off of what closed strong leading into Friday. I like AMD, but my problem with AMD is we're approaching this consolidation zone right here. So we broke out of this lower one right here that we had. We broke out of this lower one right here that we had. This little consolidation zone. We broke this downtrend. Now we're entering another supply zone right here where we struggle to break and hold above. Yeah, so I will be watching AMD, but I'm not sure how I'm going to take it this week because of this area that we're entering now. So this is the first thing on my watch list for this upcoming week. Let's see. I like this double top right here. Boom, boom, boom. I like that zone. Here's another zone right here. Boom, boom, boom. See? Have that, and obviously we have that. Yeah, so see how we look on the 1 hour. See? And on the daily, look how it looks on the daily. And obviously on the daily, as you can see, we're coming out of a downtrend. You could probably put it, let's see, line it up right here. Struggling to break and close above. this downtrend. Let me see how it look on the 4 hour time frame. We finally did it on Friday. We closed, but also on the 4 hour time frame, we might need to come back down for a little consolidation for a bull flag on the 4 hour time frame, because as you can see, we're kind of extended away from the 9 EMA. So we do need a little pullback. We can pull back and bounce off this 4 hour downtrend for a continuation. Next on my watch list, I have Tesla. Tesla finally broke out of both downtrends that I had on this chart. If you've been watching the watch list, you see I've had these levels and lines sitting here, and as you can see, I made this from my last watch list last week, and we struggled to break and hold or break and close above this level that I had that I was watching right here. And we finally did on Thursday, and on Friday we had a nice breakout also. Let me remove this. I'll put that back. I'll just remove these two. And I will fix the gap. Let me see what the high of this is. 351.26. I'll fix the gap. I'll fix that. No, that's wrong. 351.26. Boom. If I watch this for this upcoming week, I'll be watching, this is the start of the gap, I'll be watching 350 flat. Why 350 flat is because we struggled to hold and close above 350. If you look at it on a 15-minute time frame, you could look at it on the 30-minute time frame, Let's see what the 1 hour looks like. 1 hour time frame, we struggle to hold and close above 350. So I'll be watching 350. But as of right now, it doesn't really seem like we can recover this move. If you look at the 9 EMA, look like we're trying to first to try to double top sell off. That's one. Two, the way the structure of this 9 and 21 EMA it looked like it's ready to fold over on the 1 hour time frame. If you look at the 4 hour, doesn't look too bad. 4 hour doesn't look too bad. As you can see, we slow stride up. We tried to sell off. We double bottomed right here with the body of the candle, and we held. So we can recover maybe like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But as far as Monday, I don't see us having a quick recover up to the start of the gap tomorrow. Let me see what the daily looks like. See, even when you look at the daily, we broke out of my first downtrend, second downtrend. We have a doji candle. We look like we're recovering slowly, or trying to recover. So, yeah, that's it.